Hi guys, we're here at Crimson Hotel Alabang and we are going to try yung buffet breakfast nila dito sa Cafe 8. So tara, kain tayo. Gyoza and hakaw, our favorite. There you go. Pares. May tubig-tubig kasi sa ibabaw. We have favorite niya. And you have your Japanese as well, sushi bar. Sarap ito guys, yung chicken sausage. Okay, so round 3 na kami. So, dessert naman, try namin. Ayan, so guys, nakalabas na tayo ng elevator. Then, nandito na tayo sa level 8. And, pupunta tayo sa Cafe 8. Ayun guys, so papunta na kami sa Cafe 8. So, we're just walk-in customers. No? Nag-try kami mag-reserve through their website. Na-receive lang namin is acknowledgement email. So, nag-decide kami mag-walk-in na lang. So, we are at level 8. So, punta tayo dun. Nice. Ang bango. Ang bango dito guys. No? So, amoy hotel. Parang yung scent nung The Venetian sa Macau. Or sa ibang hotels din naamoy ko na rin yun. So, meron sila ditong express check-in and check-out. And we have here the lobby. So, tara. Ayun yung Cafe 8 sa dulo guys. Puntahan natin. Meron pang dito guys. Mini fountain. Napaka-cozy dito guys. Napaka-relaxing yung feeling. May matching instrumental music pa. And so yung nakikita nyo sa dulo guys, it's the reception. So dito tayo sa Cafe 8. So ito yung Grand Ballroom. Yung doors na nakikita nyo. Yan. So, nandito tayo sa Cafe 8. Okay. There you go. Cafe 8. Then, ito yung breakfast guide at Cafe 8. Yan. Open sila from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Open sila for breakfast. Yan. So, kung gusto niyo nung wala masyadong kasabay, yan, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. daw. Moderate is from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. And pag busy, 8 a.m. to 10:30. Yan. So, pagpasok nyo, it's a bar. Huh? Open naman yung bar kung gusto nyo mag-drink sa umaga. Then, ito yung reception. Ito pala yung dress code nila. So, kailangan may dress code. Para pala makapunta kayo dito sa 8 Cafe Crimson Hotel, kapag meron kayong sariling sasakyan, you just pin the location on Waze or Google Maps. And eventually, ipipin niya kayo dun sa entrance ng parking. So make sure, doon kayo mag-park sa parking level 3 and 4. Then, pag-park nyo, either levels, punta lang kayo sa nearest elevator. May entrance naman doon and may guard. Then, go to level 8. Then guys, kapag magko-commit naman kayo, you can ride any jeepney, van, or bus na dadaan sa Alabang South Station. Then, sa South Station, baba na kayo doon. Then, konting lakad lang, tatawirin nyo to Crimson Hotel. Okay, so this is the bacon station, pork station. And you can request for ba't ibang luto ng egg dito kay Kuya. And we have scrambled and sunny side eggs. We also have the salad station here. And we have different types of fried rice. So let's check. This is hoisin chicken with mushroom, tocino, and garlic rice, and achara. Nice. And this is chili pork and egg with garlic rice. And meron din tayong mga breads dito. Okay. Butter. And of course, you can cut here or slice the bread. And we have toaster. Okay, so we're moving on to another portion of this breakfast buffet. We have hash brown, we have bacon, what's this? Beef tapa. Okay, we have classic pork tocino, and we have daing na bangus. Ayan, we have favorite na yan. And then here we have chicken, chipolata, and pork longanisa. White beans with bacon and herbs. Akala ko kare-kare to. Peanut sauce pala. And then we have, yeah, it's kare-kare pala. Vegetable kare-kare. Nice. Then your bagoong. And your normal garlic rice. Okay? Hindi rin pwedeng mawala ang steamed white rice. So, meron din tayong mga dim sum, pork siomai, gyoza, and hakaw, our favorite. There you go. Steamed siomai. Meron din tayong champurado. There you go. And ikaw na bahala. Milk or sugar. We have arroz caldo. Ito yung arroz caldo nila. And we have here, make your own palabok. Crispy pancit palabok. Sauce. And the ingredients are here. Chicharon, shrimp, patis, garlic, onions, leeks, lau ganma, and everything. And hindi pwedeng mawala ang Pinoy favorite, beef pares. Try natin ito mamaya. Ayun, so tawid tayo sa kabilang station. And so dito tayo sa cereal station kung ayaw nyo mag-rice, light breakfast only. And what? Bread and butter pudding. Ooh, looks delicious. Then Korean classics, kimchi salad, vegetable salad. And your cold cuts are here. Nice. Then I think we're moving on to the salad station ulit, but there are some fruits here: honeydew, watermelon. We have dragon fruit, watermelon, banana berry, and yogurt. And ito yung panggawa ng salads, guys. It's like one of everything. And you have your Japanese as well, sushi bar. Uy, may papadam. Nice. And baked sushi is right there. And we have, I think, it's just mushroom. Yep, it's mushroom. Parang masarap. Wasabi and spices. Yan, dito sa gitna, yung mga breads nila, pandesal. We have banana bread, chocolate muffin. And parang masarap. Then, almond croissant, butter croissant, cinnamon rolls, fruit Danish, blueberry muffins. Parang freshly baked, oh. We have the whole wheat bread as well. And what's this? Cheese bread? Yeah. Soft rolled bread. Yeah, masarap yung ganyan. And you have your taho. Wow. Taho, arnibal, sago. Then here's your taho. Yes. Mainit-init pa. Yan. Meron tayong ensaymada. Parang sarap nito, guys. So, ang cheesy niya. Parang melting pa yung cheese niya. We'll try that later. Then we have, of course, Filipino cakes. Cassava cake, maha blanca, bibingka. Yeah. and puto. And we also have another type of cheese bread here, parang powdered. Nice. Then your palamans, no spread, caramel, peanut butter, condensed milk. Yeah, sausaw, no? Sa tinapay. Instant classic. Then we have a syrup there. And strawberry jams and blueberry jams. Ayan. Nakakamiss yung Baguio. Ayan. Pwede ka rin pala mag-request ng ano dito, pancake or waffle. Ayan. Lutuin nila, stuff nila. And yun, only condiments. Raspberry, strawberry jam, caramel, choco syrup, blueberry. And you have your sprinkles and everything. Then, dito sa medyo dulong section, nandito yung coffee machine nila. Only coffee, but you have to ask for assistance para makakuha. And then, meron din silang mga juice stations. They have pineapple, chilled apple juice, red iced tea, and infused water. Self-service.
So, for round 1, we have fried rice, bangus, bacon, hakaw, hash brown. We have champorado, sopas, coffee.
Okay, sa akin naman, I tried bacon and eggs. We have siomai, hakaw, beef tapa. Then, I tried this, yung hoisin mushroom fried rice nila. Then, beef pares.
They serve you while eating. It's Philinvest Alabang. And then, ayun yung North Gate. Diyan ako dati nag-work.
Pares. Sarap. Pares.
Sarap ng sopa gulo. Ay, sopas.
Ito guys. Hakaw. Puro milk yung kapra. Malaki pala yung nakita ko sa picture website. Yun nandun. May pa pala ng letter L. Malawak ka.
Malawak ko.
Kala ko ito lang. Ito. Ang sarap ng bacon, guys. Highly recommended. Ang sarap yung simago.
Yung almond croissant. Yun yung sikat dito.
Ngayon meron din dito. Ito, break na. Cappuccino, dumating na. So, tinikman ko siya. In my opinion, no? Kailangan mo pa siyang lagyan ng konting sugar. Pero siguro sa mga hindi mahilig sa sweets, pwede na sa inyo.
Sarap. Ito no sugar na. Sarap. Yung latte. Alam mo maganda dito, hindi nila hinahayaang ubos yung food. Nire-refillan nila agad. So, ako, pangalawang beses ko nang kumain dito. Si Bubu, si Ray, first time na. So, how was your first time experience so far?
Sulit, guys. No? Sulit dito. Daming choices. Ayun nga, hindi lang nila hinahayaang maubos. Mainit yung pagkain. So parang fresh na luto nila. Especially sa yung mga bacon, ayan, yung mga tapa, yung pares, may mga soup. Yeah, sulit na sulit.
Champorado.
Sarap ng bacon.
Malasa.
Tapa. Tap. Somay. Tap.
So, tapos na tayo sa round 1. Iniisip ko kung ano yung kukunin ko sa round 2. Okay, round 2. So, kumuha ko ng maki, baked sushi, hakaw ulit, bacon ulit, and then some mushroom. And then, nakamutan ko yung pangalan nito. Para siyang meatloaf na pork. And tomato. Si Bubu, kumuha ng pansit palabok. Ginawa niya yan. So, may chicken sausage, tapos hash brown. Hindi na kumuha ng chopsticks. At tinidor na lang itong maki.
Sarap nito guys, yung chicken sausage.
Atong hakaw. Ano ba ito? Kain ba dito? Parang ang batido na may pastry. Puff pastry. Kapo mo.
Pangalan niya?
Pork something. Tama.
Pork ano?
Pork something.
Pork something.
Parang embutido.
Ano?
No? Sarap. It's baked sushi.
Hash brown. Tignan natin kung matapatan nila yung hash brown ng McDonald's. McDonald's pa rin ako. Okay. Guys, kuha tayong taho. May tubig-tubig kasi sa ibabaw. Okay. Tatry ko muna, baka di ko maubos. Ayan. Milig ako sa sago, so marami-raming sago to guys.
Sago lang pala kita ko.
Okay na. And of course, arnibal. So gusto ko rin yung maraming arnibal. Ayan. Pero yun, ang maganda dito is pwede kayo in your on your own preference. So kung anong gusto yung timpla, yun ang kukunin mo. Gusto ko maraming sago tsaka arnibal. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Ako. Round 3 na kami. So, dessert naman. Ang tatry namin. Ako kinuha ko taho. Then, and cheesy ensaymada. And I have cinnamon rolls as well. Pati yung sikat dito sa Crimson guys, yung almond croissant. Then, yung kilala naman,
Almonds croissant. Then, I got some yogurt and some fruits. Dragon fruit, honeydew, tsaka pretzel and cheese.
how is it? Sarap. Okay, nice. Lasang-lasa daw yung almond, guys, no? Almond croissant, guys. Ayaw mag-focus.
Favorite mo ganyan.
Sarap. Lasang-lasa nga yung almond. Sarap.
Try mo yung yogurt and fruit.
Okay yung yogurt eh. Asin. Ito naman, cinnamon roll. Favorite ko rin yung cinnamon, guys. Masarap yung cinnamon roll, guys. Ayan. Pero, mas masarap siya pag mainit siguro. Pwede mo sigurong i-request na i-toast siya since may toasters dito. Ayan, meron. Pero, andito na. Kainin na natin. Ensaymada. Cheesy ensaymada. Masarap din yung ensaymada, guys. Ayun. Yun, recommend ko siguro i-toast nyo. Mas masarap siya pag ganun. Then, comment lang din kami dun sa service nila dito. Sobrang bilis. As in, parang pag natapos mo na yung plate mo, may nakaabang agad. Kukunin na nila agad yung used plate mo. So, maganda yung service nila dito, guys. Hindi ka mas-stress na napupuno yung table nyo. Ganun. Yan. Pati yung actually yung mga baso, napansin ko rin. Kapag nakita nila na yung coffee ko kanina may nag-offer na kung gusto ko i-refill ulit kasi nakita nila maubos na. Ayun. Astig ang service dito, guys. Yung champurado nila mas masarap pero kasi kami preferred namin yung masabaw na champurado. Kesa yung parang siyang kalamay. Ganun na kasi yung texture niya. Kasi lumamig na.
So, pumasok lang kami dito, guys. Tapos, inupo na kami. Walang rules or whatsoever. Wala silang sinabi kahit ano.
Pero meron dito, guys, rules sa clothing. Yung sa ano kailangan sa oten.
Mayroon pa siyang feeling sa pinakagitna. Parang custard. Sarap. Try nyo to pag magbe-breakfast kayo dito sa Crimson.
Dessert is cereal. Fruit Loops and Coco Crunch. So yun na nga, guys. Yung review namin for Cafe 8 Crimson Hotel is very satisfactory kami. Yung mga food nila dito, ang sasarap. Siguro yung pinakagusto ko is yung almond croissant, no? Kasi it's considered as yung pinaka-trademark nila dito sa Cafe 8 Crimson Hotel. As for the others, hindi ako makapili kung ano yung pinakagusto ko kasi masarap lahat. No? Although, lang, yung sa hash brown lang siguro, no? Medyo dry, pero okay na rin, pwede na rin. As for the drinks, coffee, masarap ang coffee. May cappuccino, may espresso, white mocha, and cafe latte. So, yung kinuha namin, coffee, cafe latte, and cappuccino. Pero nasa preference mo naman kung ano yung gusto mong timpla. Ayun. So, ako kasi dinagdagan ko pa ng isang, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, para, makakuha yung gusto kong taste for coffee. Kung gusto nyo yung mag-breakfast lang, tapos yung talagang mabusog kayo, as in this is highly recommended.
Thank you, guys. If nakarating kayo sa part ng video na to, and if nagustuhan nyo, paki-like naman, and comment kayo ng suggestions kung saan nyo kami gustong kumain next time. And if you have any questions, just add them in the comments as well. Also, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our channel for more travel and food contents. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!